Alrighty guys, we're here at a historic building here in downtown Amarillo. Abilene, Texas. Very fancy elevators. Actually,
what's that?
You guys mind?
Sure.
oh, gotcha.
I got you.
Thanks.
You guys trying to go to 9?
11 if we could.
11?
Yeah.
Or 10.
There we go. Thank you. These apartments or are these? Is this a hotel?
They used to be
Little bit
hotels.
Okay.
Both actually.
Gotcha.
I do have some options, but it is apartments now.
Gotcha. Cool.
Definitely.
This is
Pretty
great.
nice, yeah.
Yeah.
Have a good day. Thank you.
See.
It's like a bouncy house. Got modern with innovation stuff. High security. Pretty fast. Look at that. Up the doors on. Let's go back down to 1. I don't know if you can tell, but this looks glass on the outside. Let's get a cab here, yeah? Very nice, interesting elevators here. This is a cool door design. Got innovation buttons here. Nothing too exciting. We needed that thing. Let's get off here. Show you the lobby here. Because this is a gorgeous lobby. Look at this. They do a really good job restoring these buildings here. If you take a look at these stairs over here. So let's take this, look at these steps. Very beautiful. Beautiful building.
Cool.
Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.